here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, skies are clear to partly cloudy. Doppler radar actually tracking some snow showers. Most of it, though, over the ocean. Check it out from roughly Boston and Logan Airport and across the outer Cape. These continue to stream from essentially northwest to southeast and really heading out to sea. Elsewhere, it is dry and obviously cold, setting up for another frigid night. In fact, dry weather for the next several days. The potential, and that's the key word here, potential for a storm on Sunday with some snow. The jury's still out on this because we have some computer models that actually bring a storm close enough to give us some accumulating snow, but at the same time we have some computer projections that actually have the storm going out to sea and being a complete miss. So it's not etched in stone. Several days down the road, but just keep it in the back of your mind. And, check back with us over the next couple of nights to see whether or not this thing materializes into something significant or just kind of sails out to sea and doesn't bother anybody. Meanwhile, in Providence, partly cloudy and, well, obviously cold. 21, the wind chills at 11, on a west breeze at 9, relative humidity at 57%. Already down to 17 in Worcester, 19 in Smithfield and Taunton. Though most areas right now are in the low 20s, though Block Island holding at 27 degrees. Satellite and radar composite shows a storm spinning across Canada. This is essentially helping to reinforce the cold air across New England. It was responsible for some of the passing snow showers we had this afternoon and early this evening. The coverage of the cold across the northeastern United States is large, and why we expect these frigid temperatures to spill over into early tomorrow morning. Clear to partly cloudy during the overnight hours. By 5 o'clock in the morning, it's down to 14 degrees. So naturally, it's a cold one at the bus stop for the little ones early in the morning, with sunshine between 7 and 8:30 in the morning, temperature on average at about 15. But unlike this afternoon, tomorrow afternoon, a better chance of temperatures recovering a little better. In other words, we're only about 25 today, forecasting 35 tomorrow afternoon, so about 10 degrees milder, but still chilly. But a good deal of sunshine. It'll be a dry day. Overall, not too bad. Could be worse here. Mid-30s along the south shore with a southwest breeze at 5 to 15. Lower to middle 30s in our northern suburbs. Burrillville 32, Johnston 34. I mean, the normal high is about 40, so we're still running below average. It's not quite as cold tomorrow afternoon as what we had today. 35 Westport, Seekonk at 34. So kind of a half-and-half weekend. Dry on Saturday. Right now, the potential for at least some light snow on Sunday. But again, a lot of our computers now hinting that the storm may actually go out to sea. I just don't want to write it off yet, so do check back with us over the next couple of days. But we're looking okay now through at least Saturday. Daytime highs 30s. Nights are in the 20s. Some light snow in the forecast for Sunday into Monday morning. And then clearing out Monday afternoon, brisk and chilly with a temperature at 35 and overnight lows in the 20s. Another very cold start tomorrow morning, but a decent recovery by tomorrow afternoon, about 35.
Tough at the bus stop tomorrow.
It will be. Bundle up.
Okay. Thank you, Tony. Coming up next on Eyewitness News at 11, searching for survivors. Dozens